So I don't think this thing's going to go crazy lower. I think selling the puts here, like at 54 or 55, is a good buy or a good trade. So it's trading at 56 something, 56 something, and 56.64, and I think we could trade. You could trade near the money. You could trade even at 56. I think there's a good chance that this thing might go up. 56 pays $2, so you're protected down to 54. If you go down to 54, you're traded. You're good to 52 and a 52.80. So if you got new money, this is a good. I think these are good trades here. A lot of the risk in the market's been taken out because this went down so far. Those of us that are stuck, like I am, that's a whole different story. But if you have new money, because this thing's come down all the way as far as it has, I mean, it's got to go up over 90 to hit all-time highs. So, to hit all-time highs, it's 50% from here. So, people that are not in this thing, trading it by selling the puts look pretty good. So, sell you some puts here. Sell it aggressively at 56 and make you $2. That's a pretty good trade. I think that's a pretty good trade. See, right now it's kind of went back up to 57. So I think it's going to trade up and down, but it's going to trade kind of sideways. That's why I sold the call against it. I sold the call at 60 against it, thinking that this would happen. It might be over 60 by Friday. It might go up $3 or whatever, but I think this is going to probably trade sideways for a while. I don't think there's anything to push the stock higher. There's a lot of news that is, if not bad, it's kind of So get you some here, 56, 55, 54, 53.50, pays $1. So sell you some puts here. I don't think this thing's going to go wildly one way or another. I think it's going to trade kind of sideways. Right now, it looks like it's the Dow went positive. It's up 100. So the Nasdaq's getting ready to go positive. So this might be up a little bit today. But so selling the puts, in the morning when this is down like this is a good idea. Anyway, another strategy to eke some out. Just because the market's down doesn't mean you can't. If you've got good money, new money, doesn't mean you can't make 2% a week like we did last year. And if you do that, it accumulates like it showed last year. It just accumulates. In this malaise and choppy market, that's a good time to trade, and it's a good time to sell these puts. Or if you're still holding it, sell the calls a little bit higher. I just don't think, if you sell the calls at 65 here, I just don't think we're going to jump up to 65, go up 8 points, in a couple of days or something like that. I just don't see that cards right now. Maybe for earnings for second quarter, maybe we're going to see some upside pressure, but I just don't see anything to drive it up to the upside. I think we're going to see a sideways market here. So anyway, get you a little bit of premium every week and see if we can't add this up and cut some of our losses.